Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on applying equations worksheets. So this video gives us two worksheets and we can see how we can apply our knowledge of solving equations to problems in the real world. So if you're not sure how to proceed, there is a lesson on this very topic. And the last slide gives you a link. When you click on that link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. I'll leave this slide on for 1 minute, but you can pause it for as long as you like. Okay, I'll go on to the second slide now, and here it is. I'll leave this slide on for 1 minute, but obviously you can pause it for as long as you like. Okay, and here is the last slide, and I hope you enjoy doing these problems.